Hi everybody, this is Sir Pierre back another day with an unboxing. Here I have the brand new CTEK car charger. I have used CTEK chargers for, I believe, over 20 years now. I think even 25 years maybe. And the reason why I went to CTEK chargers instead of others was because I early realized that with the other chargers you need to have one for your gel battery or one for your lead battery or water battery, whatever. And CTEK chargers could take them all. You just had to program them. But the later ones, they recognize themselves right away what kind of battery it is, and you just plug it in. And why I recommend CTEK chargers to others is because it's what I call idiot proof. They don't spark if you would connect them wrong side, positive, negative. It would tell you, it won't try to charge. You will feel that right away. And they can take all weathers. I actually don't know what's new with this one. I believe that the cables are more weather resistant. Yeah, it's another feeling in the cable, rubber, bendy. And that you get this fast, quick connect with it. And I also think that one of the new things with this one is that it can feel the temperature. So if it's too cold or if it's too hot when it's charging, it will sensor that and adjust with the charging after the temperature. So for Sweden cold winters, the new ones are better. I want the NXT 15, but that's not available until January, but I'm going to get that one as well. So I like it, and I like that you get the quick plug with it. These are for me too small. I ordered these with the battery indicator, but these are actually too small as well. So I have them on all of my cars except from the Corvettes, because the Corvettes needs an M10 connector and these are M8. But here you have a LED lamp that will show you red, yellow and green. So yeah, these I recommend. They are not expensive at all. And that is something that I really can't understand, why people buy crap from China, no-name things, for like 20-30% cheaper than the real deal. CTEK is the biggest brand in the whole world when it comes to car chargers. So why should you choose something else? And here in Sweden, some insurance companies only approve these, or CTEK in general. So if you use something cheap crap in your car, something terrible happens, and the insurance company won't take that, because they only approve when you're using CTEK chargers, at least in Sweden. And I think this is longer as well, the connectors and a quick plug, but I don't know what kind of car use that kind of small connectors. But nice to have it with it. And I think that's it with this new one. So cables that can take the cold weather, and I think the cables are longer as well. The quick connect comes with it, that they don't use to come with it. And The older ones came with a bag that you never used. Maybe the big one that comes with the bag. So let's say the package is more environment friendly. These I recommend. The quick connectors in general, really nice to have. And you should absolutely have a charger, service charger, whatever it is called, when you storage your car for the winter. And for you people that only drive very short trips to and from job, like 10 minutes or something, your battery, especially if you have that start-stop silly thing, your batteries will die, especially in the winter. So everybody needs a charger. If you have any questions, ask me, let me know. I will absolutely do an unboxing video of the NXT 15. And they also have boosters coming. I'm going to get me at least one of those as well. Thanks for watching. By the way, it's Black Weekend, Black Friday weekend. So on CTEK's website, you use BF15 to get 15% discount on some products, not the brand new one. And many stores in Sweden have them on sale now. The cheapest one is Jula. The old one that still works just fine, MSX 5.0, as cheap as 70 euro now, I think. So you should buy one. And don't buy that no-name China crap. Buy CTEK.